have illegal substances in your
But
possession.
everyone at school does too.
Everybody. When you bring illegal stuff to a high school, what you want kind of goes out the window.
I didn't know that someone was gonna tell on me that I was holding their stuff. These blonde glasses.
So
On a routine checkpoint, flashing lights cut through the calm. Officers move in, questions swirl, and a K9 circles. One man stands firm, phone in hand, ready to face whatever comes.
So you're an adult, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. You're apparently new here.
She's 19, she said.
Right. So you're an adult, right? So here's the deal. The table is you're going to jail.
Wait, what?
Right. Correct. Depending on what those are, there's a possibility that you may go to jail today. Right. So
Just because someone reported?
you have illegal substances in your
But
possession.
everyone at school does too.
Everybody.
Yes.
Every single kid.
Not every single
Okay.
kid, but some do.
Okay.
And matter of
Right.
fact,
So you wouldn't be the first kid I arrested this school year.
So here's
And I can promise you, you're not going to be the last.
I don't
So,
want to be arrested.
okay, this is not how life goes. You don't get to choose when you bring illegal stuff
No, I
to
know
a high
that.
school. When you bring illegal stuff to a high school, what you want kind of goes out the window. I don't know if you understand that.
But
so here's my other
And-
thing is I think that what you have is the pen that these screw into.
no, I don't.
Right here.
I don't. That's someone else's.
Okay, it's someone
Not
else's. All right.
Do
So
you
I don't have it.
You don't have it
No,
on
they
possession?
took it.
who
Okay.
took it? Is it someone who goes to school here?
The person that literally probably named me. I didn't know that someone was gonna tell on me that I was holding their stuff.
Who was it?
She was blonde with glasses.
So it's a stranger now.
No, it's not a stranger.
Okay.
I've known her.
What
I've
is her
seen
name? What's her name?
Never really got her name.
You never go. So it's a somebody
But
you don't even know their
glasses
name.
and blonde, and she asked me for my name. I never actually.
So she asked you for your name, then proceeded to give you felonious items that can result in a felony criminal charge for you to hold. And when were you going to meet up? When are we going to give it back to us first?
In the bathroom later?
What bathroom?
Like, I don't know.
So
they
how-
go into different bathrooms.
So how were you going to give it back to them? What was the plan? So people just give people stuff and just say, I will find you later?
Yeah.
That's how it works. This is the first I'm hearing. You know it's illegal. If I give you a gun and I say you hold it for me,
I wouldn't
are you going to
hold
hold
a
it?
gun.
Okay, so if I give you
Please.
fentanyl, are you going to hold it for me?
No, it's just that I didn't know.
If I give you crack, you going to hold it for me?
Who do you live with?
Grandma, she has cancer.
So what are you doing? You're an adult. What are
Being
you doing?
depressed.
This is how you solve it? By offering drugs to
No,
kids on
not
campus?
to
This
kids.
is how you do kids. What do you think? Who do you think's
No,
here in
oh
school?
my god, those are not mine.
Okay, why are you holding drugs?
For my friend.
That's being depressed, or that's being?
No.
I think being depressed and holding
No.
drugs for your friend
Oh
are
my
two different
God.
things, my friend.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No. God, they're not mine.
Okay,
I was
so
just
why are
holding
you?
them.
Unfortunately, I just want you to understand.
No, I understand. You
This
don't have
person,
to dumb it down
if this
for me.
person doesn't, if we can't locate this person doesn't come forth and identify it as theirs, you're going to be responsible for it.
And you are in
No, I
possession
know
of
I
it.
am.
Okay.
And that's why I'm really stressed out.
Okay.
And so, whatever you have on your person, because I think you do.
I don't.
Stop.
I'm gonna get arrested
Stop.
anyway. So
Stop. I'm going to turn it over to law enforcement. So, whatever.
No, I don't have
So
anything.
whatever you have, you gotta just give it to Mrs. We're gonna step out. You're gonna give it to Mrs. DuPont, and it's gonna go
I
with
don't have
this.
anything.
Okay.
So here's the deal, and if if
that's-
it goes that way. If it doesn't, then you're going to go to the jail,
No,
and
I'd
they're going
rather
to
just
search
go
you.
to the jail.
They're going to search you at the jail. If you bring something to the jail, it's a felony, an additional felony.
So right now, if you have anything, it is important that you just give it to us.
We're trying to help you.
This is us
This is done. If you
trying
have
to
something
help
on you, they will escort you to the jail. They will search you there. If you have something on you at the jail,
You're getting
it is
searched
an
at the
additional
jail.
charge.
Every person that
No,
comes into the
I
jail is
know
getting searched.
that.
Okay.
I know that.
They do full searches.
So if you have something,
Like,
it's
I
important
don't
to give it to
have
us.
anything.
Okay. Where's the piercing located? Do you not recall?
I've heard some of my other friends say that some people tell on purpose, even if they also smoke well.
Someone telling on somebody
No,
else.
they
is
have
different.
hate. You have no idea.
But you said
They
that
also
you
asked
gave
you to
them
hold
that
this
stuff.
No, I didn't
So-
give them anything.
No, they asked you. Said that this person asked you to hold their stuff for them.
Yeah.
So it was downstairs 200 between what classes?
This.
So it's during fifth?
Yeah.
Or
And I heard someone nearby say, "Oh, watch out! There's a tattletale in here."
In the middle of fifth period?
Yeah, either
During class?
during or before or after.
during, before, after? doesn't
That's
really
like
help me.
that's like an hour time frame.
That doesn't really help me. We're
So
trying to
when
help.
did
We're
the
trying to help
person
you
Ask you
Before.
before
In the
fifth
bathroom.
period. Downstairs 200 before fifth period.
in the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Okay.
Do you remember what she was wearing? Did she
She's
have any
saying that this
distinguishing
student,
features,
blonde,
glasses?
tan, glasses, downstairs,
Outside of that.
200 building restroom, before 5th period is the one that
She
she's
gave you the stuff in the bathroom or outside of the bathroom?
Inside. If it was outside, I'm pretty sure it was.
Like in front of the bathroom or in the
Inside
bathroom?
the
Inside of the bathroom.
She gave her that stuff and asked her name.
Hey, what's your name? I said Natalia, and then I left.
Okay. Well, break it down for me, the whole situation from the beginning.
So I went to the restroom,
Okay.
talking to some of my friends,
Okay.
and then she was like, "Hey, can you?"
She was in there. She came in after.
She was in there. She came in, and I'm pretty sure some of her friends were smoking with her.
Did you see him?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're not pretty sure
I
you
witnessed it.
saw them smoke.
One of her friends was like, "Oh, remember last time?" And then, and then she came.
No, I don't know what that.
I don't like. It's because of.
I can't arrest you.
I
I
didn't
can't
let-
charge you
okay,
for you
let me
buying
just-
weed in the past.
No,
So if that's what
buying
you did,
weed
or
in
that's
the past.
what
no,
happened in the past, I
no.
can't.
Oh my god, you're just not. Wait, okay, so.
You're not explaining.
So she came up to me after me talking to her friend, and then she's like, "Hey, can you hold my stuff?" And then I was about to leave. She's like, "What's your name?" And then I say Natalia, and then I leave.
What was her friend's name?
How did she give it to you? Like in your hand? There's enough. This one, I don't know what it is, but these are legit from California, based on, I made a 1015 before spring break, but she had these in there too. These are just the packaging for these neon ones. And it's, yeah. Sativas, this is like the real stuff. So, maybe sorry. Yeah. Common sense, unfortunately, being kind by taking drugs or use drug
Don't
paraphernalia.
use drugs. They're saying taking the carts from someone that
But-
wanted you to hold them for a bit, and then she asks you your
If
name.
you want to church them up, if you want to church it up however you want.
Church it. I'm
Right.
not Christian.
It's a figure of speech. This is not like, what I'm saying is you're taking it and you're sugarcoating it.
It's not sugarcoating.
Right. So taking drug paraphernalia from somebody. I don't know what the situation was in Miami. I have nothing to do with that. What I can tell you is we have illegal
You're
items.
gonna have to watch out, kids.
We're in the process of doing.
No, they're becoming drug addicts.
I understand that.
No,
That's why
elementary
I'm
school
here.
students too.
That's why I'm here.
Like, why elementary school students?
Because of people like you
no,
who are engaging in
no.
allowing this stuff to continue instead of coming and notifying people about what's going on.
Excuse me. To be honest, that's not
If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. I'm sorry to tell you that.
true, but also,
What's that?
Trolls on the line. They're gonna bring it on. I mean, we know what it is.
Yeah.
how?
Why she got? You don't want to help yourself out, or do you want to go to jail today? Like, what do you want to do?
I don't want to go to jail.
So some mysterious female told you these boxes look pretty. Do you want them? And gave you 6 vials of THC. That's the story.
She literally asked me in the restroom.
Yes
my
or
name.
no?
Yes.
Okay, what restroom?
So we got all that info. They're trying to pull
I
cameras
told-
right
So
now.
when I go sit in my cameras and I
Yeah, we
pull
changed
all
it
of this,
downstairs too. She's got.
Before
I'm
5th
gonna
period.
see a female come out and then you come out.
No, I came out first. I said, she asked me my name
What's she
before I
look like?
left.
What's she look like?
Blonde, glasses, tan.
So all I'm looking for is a blonde female tan with glasses.
Yeah.
Downstairs.
Tall, short,
Before fifth period.
Shortish.
shortish.
Like my height.
So what happens when this female doesn't exist? Then what? Are we gonna have another
Doesn't
conversation?
exist. She asked me her name in the restroom.
And you didn't ask her name.
Why would I, like, just a random person I see every day
Yeah, so let me ask you a
asked
question.
me to hold some things.
So this random
And then
person,
finally asked me my name. I think it was a nice thing. I tell her my name and I leave the restroom.
But
and
you
I'm
said
right
your
here.
friends knew her.
Yeah.
so this
So
random
who are your
person,
friends
Who's your friends that know her?
that know her? Because we can ask your friends who the girl is.
Nah, they're not gonna tell.
What's your
So-
friend's name? Who is that friend? And I can go ask her. Like who the
Mia.
girl's name?
Mia what?
Mia.
Mia
Mia. What does Mia look like?
doesn't smoke, but she's skinny, tan, glasses, like a
Blonde
yeah.
hair?
blonde hair?
No, brown
Brown
to blonde and in a scruff. The girl I'm talking about is basically a little white girl that
You got any
is
classes
tan.
with this girl?
No.
This random girl that handed you stuff, you ain't got classes with her? She in the same grade as you?
think so.
You
Yeah.
think so? Alright, let me ask you something. If this random girl asks you to hold a gun, you gonna take it?
No.
Okay, so what is the difference?
Because the logic of children thinking they're doing.
You're not a
something
child. You're an adult. You're 19 years old.
I'm
You can't
surrounded
blame.
by children.
You can't blame the
Yeah.
fact
Hey, so let
that
me-
you're
let
a
me ask you a
child. That
question.
children.
Is this Mia?
Yeah.
Okay, Mia coffee. It's her friend.
Okay. Do you have anything on you?
No, they took it,
Okay.
and my boyfriend bought it for me.
Do you think it's smart that you hold on to it though?
No, I thought. I just didn't know if someone would tell on me. I didn't share it with anyone.
That doesn't matter. You're still
I
not
know it
supposed to be in
doesn't
possession
matter.
of it. Okay.
I know it
You have
doesn't.
nothing
No,
on you
nothing
at all.
else.
Okay. Yes, you understand that if
No.
you go to the jail and they find anything on you, it's a felony
they
for
told me,
introduction.
plus, if you found anything, I'm pretty sure I'll be more trouble.
Yeah. At this point, you've probably had ample amounts of chances
No, I
to
have.
say if you have anything else on
I
you.
was just really stupidly scared, and I get like that sometimes.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have you
Yeah.
face
Yeah,
up against
yeah.
the wall. All right, like you said, you don't have anything on you, right? No. Go ahead, spread your feet further.
You don't have to be sorry. We just gave you ample opportunity.
No, I know that. You don't have to tell me that
No, but
like
I
a
did.
1,000 times. I already destroyed the opportunity.
You've done nothing but lie
No,
from the
just
get-go.
stop.
All right, take a seat. Go ahead and sit back down.
After years of peaceful crossings, suspicion still shadows him. He asks for a name, meets only pressure. With his camera as witness, he walks away holding his dignity intact. He leaves the checkpoint uncharged, tension lingering in the air, his phone recording every second as his only shield.